Hello Kartapult users. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a catalog ad using Kartapult's Facebook Ad Manager. To begin, click on Ads. Next, click on the Create Ads option. This will lead you to a page where you need to select Catalog Ads. Once you've done that, you can input the catalog name and ad name. Following this, select the campaign type. Then, choose the catalog. Next step is to select the product set. After that, choose the ad format. Now, enter the destination URL. Following this, select the pixels. The URL parameters will already be set from your Facebook ad account. You can then select the Facebook page and Instagram page. Now, you can enter the primary text and the headline. Then, fill in the field link description. You can also choose how you want the creatives to be displayed. Next, select the Call to Action button. You also have the option to add a MySC card by clicking on Card. Enter the headline and description. You can also set the website URL. You can add a profile card by clicking on Profile Card. You can also click on Overlays and select how to crop the product settings. You can select frames and even choose a custom frame. Next, click Next, and then select Overlay Text. After this, you can select the font, opacity, colors, and position. Click on None, and your overlays will be set. Finally, click on Next. Here, you can preview the catalog you've selected. After this, select the ad set where you want to launch ads. You can select all or choose a singular ad set. You can filter them by name, final objective, and IDs. You can also schedule the ads. When all of this is done, turn on the toggle to ensure that the catalog is live when published. Click on Publish and your ad set will be published.